Hey everyone, Redneck Brian here. I thought I'd do a quick update for you on the 2000 Ford Windstar. The 2000 Ford Windstar is actually being scrapped. It's probably going to be scrapped by the end of the winter. We've actually just purchased a new van to replace the Windstar. We've purchased a 2001 Pontiac Montana, and it's actually in a lot better shape than the Windstar. Less mileage, which is nice, and like I said, a lot better shape. A little bit smaller engine, so be a little bit more better on gas. Still a V6, of course, being in Montana. But just as a quick update on the Windstar. So, the Windstar really was not worth it to fix. The price to get it towed to a dealership, to get the computer fixed, and that's might not even been the problem. We don't know. Also, it needed brake lines. It needed quite a bit of work. It needed some tires put on. So anyways, it's being scrapped. I know a lot of Ford fans out there won't be happy to see a Ford being scrapped, but being a Windstar, they probably won't really care since the Windstars were pretty crappy anyways. And during the Cash for Clunkers program, the Windstars were the most popular vehicle being clunkered, basically. So anyways, that's just a quick update on that van. So most likely there will not be any more videos of it. So please don't stay tuned for any more videos on it. I may or may not do one, maybe kick in a few panels, because it's technically my van. I can't really necessarily do what I want, but I can have some fun maybe. But anyways, that's just a quick update on it, and yeah, another Ford going to the scrapyard. We're hoping to get good scrap price for it, so we're going to wait till after winter. The scrap has actually gone down now, so we're going to wait for scrap to go back up, and then we'll probably end up loading it up with any other scrap that's around the property, just so try to get a little bit more money out of it. We're probably not going to open up the windows or open up the doors and let it fill with water, but I know some people would actually do that, but I don't think she'll do that. But anyways, that's just a quick update on the van. Like I said, it's not worth it to fix. It's just not worth it. Also now the rad actually is full of water and it has froze, so most likely the rad's gone. I don't know about the head situation on it. So anyways, that's just a quick update on it. So I'll talk to everyone later. Please keep it redneck like always, and please subscribe and comment.